Hi everyone, welcome back to Carsperience, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting releases of the year from Tata Motors, a car that redefines innovation, style, and performance for 2025. Let's not waste any time and jump right into it. Scene transition, close-up shots of the car's sleek exterior. Now, let's talk about the design. The first thing you'll notice about this car is its futuristic styling. Tata Motors has truly outdone itself this year. The sharp, aerodynamic lines give the car a sporty yet elegant look. The redesigned grille with Tata's illuminated logo is a statement in itself, blending seamlessly with the sleek LED headlamps that stretch into the fenders. Moving to the sides, the 2025 model flaunts bold character lines, blacked-out pillars, and striking dual-tone alloy wheels. The car also features flush door handles, giving it a premium feel while improving aerodynamics. At the rear, you have a redesigned tailgate with a full-width LED light bar that gives the car a striking presence at night. Scene transition, interior shots with the host seated inside the car. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that feels more luxurious than ever before. Tata Motors has gone all out to ensure a premium experience. The dashboard features a clean, minimalist design with soft touch materials, a wide 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and a fully digital instrument cluster. The car comes loaded with connected car tech, offering features like wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a 360-degree camera, and AI-based voice commands. The 12-speaker Harman Kardon sound system is simply the icing on the cake, delivering crystal-clear audio for music lovers. The seats are well cushioned and supportive, wrapped in premium leather upholstery with contrast stitching. Tata has also provided ventilated front seats and multiple adjustment options to ensure maximum comfort. Rear passengers are treated to ample legroom and headroom, along with a dedicated touchscreen for climate control and entertainment. Scene transition, host driving the car on a scenic road. Alright, let's talk about performance. The 2025 model is offered in multiple powertrain options. You can choose between a refined petrol engine, a fuel-efficient diesel, or the all-electric variant. The petrol and diesel engines deliver excellent drivability with smooth power delivery, making them perfect for city commutes and highway cruises alike. For the enthusiasts, the petrol variant comes with a turbocharged option that delivers punchy performance while maintaining great fuel efficiency. On the other hand, the diesel variant shines with its impressive torque and long-range capability, making it ideal for those who love long road trips. And now, the highlight at the electric variant. Tata Motors has upped its game with this one. It features a larger battery pack, giving it a range of up to 500 kilometers on a single charge. The electric motor delivers instant torque, ensuring a zippy performance whether you're in the city or on the highway. Plus, with fast charging capability, you can juice it up to 80% in just 45 minutes. The driving dynamics of this car are equally impressive. The suspension setup ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough roads. Tata has also improved the steering feedback, making it more responsive and enjoyable to drive. And with multiple drive modes, Eco, City, and Sport, you can tailor the car's performance to suit your mood. Scene transition, safety features highlighted with graphics and B-roll footage. Safety has always been a priority for Tata Motors, and the 2025 model is no exception. This car comes with a 5-star global NCAP safety rating. Thanks to its robust build quality and advanced safety tech, you get up to 8 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The car also features advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only enhance safety but also make long drives much more convenient. Scene transition, focus on additional features and practicality. Now, let's take a look at some of the thoughtful touches Tata has added. The car comes with a large panoramic sunroof that lets in plenty of natural light, making the cabin feel even more spacious. You also get a hands-free power tailgate, making it easier to load and unload your luggage. Speaking of luggage, The boot space is more than sufficient for all your travel needs. And for those who need extra space, the rear seats can be folded down to accommodate larger items. Tata has also included features like wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and ambient lighting to enhance the overall convenience and luxury of the car. Scene transition, host standing next to the car, summarizing the review. So, there you have it at the 2025 Tata Motors car. It's a perfect blend of style, comfort, performance, and technology. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a family car, or an eco-friendly electric option, this car ticks all the boxes. Scene transition, pricing details with dynamic graphics. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base petrol variant starts at an attractive A superscript 110.5 lakh, while the diesel variant is priced at A superscript 111.8 lakh. If you're eyeing the all-electric variant, it comes in at A superscript 116.9 lakh for the standard range and A superscript 119.5 lakh for the long-range option. Considering the features and performance on offer, these prices are highly competitive. Scene transition, host addressing the audience directly. That's all for today's review, folks. What do you think about the 2025 Tata Motors car? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Carsperian for more exciting reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe and take care.